Hi, welcome to my presentation on how UML diagrams and wireframes affect software engineering. Before I begin, I would like to show you guys two pictures. The picture on the left is a screenshot of the movie Ready Player One, a movie that take place in reality where people don't really care about their living conditions in the real world. The picture on the right is one of the national TV station office building in Beijing. Based on images, I think we can all agree on the fact that the building presented on the right has a much better design and probably have a lot more thorough design before actually building it. And there's probably not as much planning that went into the creation of the building on the left. And aesthetically speaking, I think we can agree on the fact that the one on the right is a lot more pleasing than the left. And structurally, the one on the right can probably withstand weight a lot more efficiently than the left based on its design. UML diagrams are wireframe and wireframes are like the architecture tools that software engineers will use to design a software that is cleaner, more structured, and more efficient, like the right building you just looked at. By utilizing UML diagrams and wireframes, it significantly enhances understanding, communication, efficiency in software projects. UML diagram uh, also known as Unified Modeling Language, is a standardized visual design language in software engineering, designed to depict a structure and behavior of a software system. UML diagrams helps in the visualization, specification, construction, and documentation of the software parts, making it a crucial tool for communication and understanding among developers and stakeholders. It encompasses a wide range of diagrams categorized into structural behavior and interaction diagrams, each serving distinct purposes in the software development process. For the sake of time, I'm not going to go into details of every single type of details of the different types of diagrams, but there are two general types of UML diagrams, structural diagrams and behavior diagrams. And it could be branched into class diagrams, object diagrams, package diagrams, component diagrams, composite structure diagrams, development diagrams, for structural diagrams. And the behavior diagrams includes the use case diagrams, activity diagrams, and state machine diagrams. And there is a subset of behavior diagram called interaction diagrams. It has its own kind of set of trees, including sequence diagrams, communication diagrams, timing diagrams, and interaction overview diagrams. UML's main purpose in software development includes communication, where it acts as a universal language for stakeholders, facilitating clear and efficient discussion about system designs. Documentation, which enables comprehensive documentation of software architecture, making it easier to understand and modify the system. Problem solving, where it helps identify design issues early in the development process, reducing the risk of costly mistakes in the future, and as well as planning, which aids in estimating development efforts and planning projects timelines by providing insights into the system complexity. By offering a standardized way to visualize software architecture and interactions, UML plays a crucial role in the software development lifecycle. It not only enhances team collaborations and reduces misunderstanding, but also contributes to the development of reliable and maintainable software solutions. Now, wireframe plays a pivotal role in the software development process, serving as a foundational blueprint for both web and mobile applications. Acting as a visual guide, wireframes sketch out the basic structure of a software application, prioritizing functionality, content layout, and the interaction between the users and the interface. This early stage tool is instrumental in aligning the project team's vision and setting a clear path for developers, designers, stakeholders, and clients. Now, what is a wireframe? A wireframe is a low fidelity representation of a software applications interface. It's akin to an architectural blueprint focusing on space allocation, prioritizing contents and functionalities available for users. Typically, devoid of stylistic elements such as colors, fonts, and images. Wireframes concentrate on what the screen does rather than how it looks. This simplicity allows project team to iterate rapidly on the application structure without getting bogged down in design details. There are few importances for wireframes in software development. First, clarifies features and functionality. Wireframes lay out the essential features of an application, clarifying how they will function and can be accessed. This early visualization helps prevent misunderstanding and misalignment about the application's capabilities, as well as facilitates user-centered design. By focusing on the user's journey through the application, Wireframes ensures that the final product will be intuitive and user-friendly. They help identify and eliminates potential usability issues before they become ingrained in the development process. It also improves communication, where Wireframe serves as a common language that all project stakeholders can understand, facilitating clear communication. They make abstract concepts tangible, allowing for more effective feedbacks and collaboration. Seamless development, with a clear blueprint in hand, developers can proceed with a precise understanding of the application layout and functionalities, leading to more efficient coding and fewer revisions. And it supports iterative design. The simplicity of wireframes makes them easy to produce and modify. This flexibility supports an iterative design process where feedback is continuously incorporated and the design evolves over time. The creating of wireframes typically involves understanding user needs, defining users' journeys, and mapping out the application structure. Tools ranging from pen and paper to specialized software can be used to create wireframes, with a choice often depending on the complexity of the project and the preference of the team. The process usually includes sketching out the navigation structure, defining key interfaces, and iterating based on stakeholder feedbacks. Wireframes are more than just simply sketches. They are critical components to software development lifecycle. By providing a clear, focused wireframe for what an application should do, wireframe bridges the gap between conceptual planning and detailed designs. They ensure that all team members, from developers to designers to stakeholders and clients, are aligned in their understanding and expectation for the product. Ultimately, the role of wireframe is to lay a solid foundation upon which a successful, user-centered, and effective and efficient software application can build. Integrating UML diagrams and wireframes is a strategic approach in the software development process, bridging the gap between conceptual system designs and the user interface design. The integration facilitates a comprehensive understanding of both the system's functionality and its user interaction, enhancing the development of user-centered software applications. And to connect the connection between UML diagrams and wireframe is that the UML diagrams serve as a foundation for software and architecture, outlining the system structure, behavior, and interactions. The focus on the system functionality. They focus on the functionality, components, and the flow between various elements of the software. On the other hand, wireframe concentrates on UI aspects, presenting a visual blueprint of the application's layout, including the placement of elements such as menus, buttons, content areas. Although UML diagrams and wireframes serve different purposes, their integration is crucial for aligning the system's architectural design with its UI. As we reach the culmination of our exploration into a pivotal role of UML diagrams and wireframe in the realm of software engineering, it's imperative to reflect on the journey we've undertaken today. Through this disclosure, we unearth the essence of these tools, not merely as an instrument of design or planning, but as various scaffolding upon which successful, efficient, and cohesive software development projects are built. These tools provide a standardized methodology and common language, facilitating deep understanding among developers, stakeholders, and non-technical team members. And UML diagrams enables clear visualization of system architecture and interactions, while wireframes focuses on user interface and experience designs, ensuring alignment with user expectations. Now, integrating UML diagrams and wireframes into development process enhances clarity, collaboration, and precision, leading to a reduced misunderstanding and faster, more effective project completion. Raising these visualization techniques is not merely an optional enhancement, but a crucial step towards improved project outcomes, fostering a culture of innovation and excellence in software development. The presentation concludes with a call to action for the audience to adopt UML diagrams and wireframes as indispensable elements for development workflow, emphasizing transformative impact on understanding and effective and project success. Thank you. This is what I have on how UML diagrams and wireframes are helpful to software engineering as a whole, as a good tools for developing software in software engineering. Thank you.